Number 9, pre-calc final exam review. I give you two functions, f of x and g of x, and I ask you to find f of g of x and b g of f of x. Well, this is a composition of functions. So let's look at a first. F of g of x, another way I can write that is f of g of x. Now, in previous problems, we've learned that if I would have given you something like f of 2, that would mean wherever you see x in the function f, you'd put in 2. So this would be 4 plus 2 times x, which in this case is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. Well, this idea is exactly the same, but instead of plugging in numbers, now we're plugging in functions. So this is how it works. I want f of g of x. That means instead of x in function f, I'm going to plug in g of x. So it becomes f of g of x is x squared plus 4. So that means in function f, wherever I see an x, I'm going to plug in x squared plus 4. So here we go. Function f is 4 plus 2x. So I have 4 plus 2x. But in this case, my x is x squared plus 4. Okay? And again, I'm using color here so you can see where everything's coming from. Now at this point, once I've plugged in, it's a simple matter of simplifying. So I have to distribute the 2 through. I get 2x squared. And then 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So my answer for part A is 2x squared plus 12. Now let's move to part B. Same idea, but now I'm going the other way around. I'm going g of f of x. And again, since I'm looking at function g here, what I'm going to do is g of f of x, wherever I see x in function g, I'm going to plug in function f. So this is going to become g of whatever function f is. And in this case, function f is 4 plus 2x. So, again, here we go. Function g is x squared plus 4. So I'm going to have my x squared plus 4. But in this case, my x is 4 plus 2x. So, my problem is set up. Now, I must simplify. Well, 4 plus 2x, I have to square the binomial. I'm going to end up with 4x squared plus 16x plus 16 plus 4. And I simplify by combining my like terms. I end up with 4x squared plus 16x plus 20.